You've been going to the gym for 6 months, showing up, sweating, putting in the work, but you look in the mirror and nothing changed. Same arms, same chest, same body. So what went wrong? The answer isn't your genetics. It isn't your supplements. No circus. It's one simple mistake almost every beginner makes, and once you fix it, everything changes. Here's what most people do at the gym. They grab the same weights, do the same reps, the same exercises week after week, month after month. It feels like effort. But your body stopped adapting after week 3. See, your muscles only grow when they're forced to handle something harder than before. The challenge never increases, neither does your body. This is called progressive overload, and it's the most important principle in all of fitness. Your muscles are made of fibers. When you lift heavy, those fibers get tiny tears. Your body repairs them and makes them bigger and stronger to handle the next challenge. If the challenge stays the same, no new tears, no new repairs, no new growth. Your body literally has no reason to change. How do you apply progressive overload? Simple. Every single week add a little more. Add 2.5 kgs to the bar. Do one extra rep, 10 seconds less between sets. You don't need to go crazy. Small, consistent increases over time. That's what builds real muscle. That's what changes your body. And here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Going to the gym without progressive overload is like studying the same chapter of a textbook over and over. You're putting in the time, but you're not actually moving forward. The gym isn't about showing up. It's about showing up and doing more than last time. So next time you walk into the gym, have a plan. Track your weights, track your reps, and make sure this week's workout is harder than last week's. That's the secret. That's why some people transform in 6 months and others stay exactly the same. Now you know the difference. If this helped you, subscribe, because every week I'm breaking down the science of building a better body. Simple. No fluff. Just results.